Okay, so y'all, this is really crazy. So my son is a husky boy, all right? He's a husky boy, all right? I'm just fucking around, you know, just trying shit on, and I'm like, can I put his pants on? This boy wears like a 14 husky. And kids, check this out, y'all. This is crazy. Zip. I wear my 10-year-old son's pants. They're like high waters on me, but I can fucking put them on. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Timmy, do these pants look familiar to you?
6.5 million units, while Xbox 360 sold
They're your pants, buddy.
PS3 in the same year sold
I can wear your pants.
a far less powerful version, which sold 12 million.